Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to tell you how to create a simple drop-down list, and after that, I will tell you how to create a multiple dependent drop-down lists. So let's get started. Here I have a few departments like industrial, mechanical, computer, and electrical departments. Under each department, I have the list of subjects that are being studied in that specific department. So first of all, I am going to create a drop-down list for my departments. For that, click on the cell A2, go to Data tab. Under Data Tools, click on Data Validation. In Allow section, you just have to select List. In Source section, you have to select the range that contains departments and click OK. Now you can see the drop-down list has been created for departments. Now the next thing that I want to show you is how to create a multiple dependent drop-down list. Suppose I select a mechanical department, then I want to create a drop-down that only shows the subjects under mechanical departments. So for that, I am going to use a formula. Formula is press equal offset. The first argument is reference, so I want to choose a reference. So I want to choose E3 as my reference. Let's fix this. Now the next argument is how many number of rows I want to move down. So I want to move one row down. Now the next thing is how many columns should I move toward the right. So if I am in industrial department, then I don't have to move anywhere. If I am in mechanical department, then I have to move one column toward the right from my reference point. Same way, if I am in computer department, then I have to move two columns um, toward the right. So for that, I am going to make this column number automate by using match function. First argument is lookup value. My lookup value is mechanical and A2 cells. I want to fix my column number. The next thing is lookup array, which is this one, and I want to exact match. Now keep in mind that the output of match function counts from 1, and the output of offset function, it counts from 0. So it counts from first column considered as 0, but match function consider the first column as 1. So in order to match, we have to subtract 1. Put a comma, and the next argument of the offset function is height. How many cells I want to show in this column. So in this specific case, I want to take only first column, only first cell of the column, and only first column. Close the bracket and press enter. Now I want to copy this formula, and I want to paste it in data validation and list, and in source section I want to paste this formula. Click on OK. Now if you choose any industrial or mechanical or electrical department, you will see the first subject that is being studied in that specific department. So my target is to show all the list of all the subjects in chart. So The only thing that I have to change is the height of the column. So for that I am going to use another formula, which is equal to count A, and now I want to again use a formula offset. My reference, I want to take this cell as a reference. My row number is 1 and my column number, again I want to use match formula. My lookup value is this. I only want to fix my column number. My lookup array is this one. I want to fix this one, and I want exact match. So I want to subtract -1. Now the height is like, if you want to show 10 subjects in your drop-down list, then you have to put 10 here. If you want to show 15, then you have to type 15 here. I want only 10, so that is why I put it 10. Close the bracket and press enter. Now you can see the height. If I select the industrial department, it will give you the 6. It will tell you the height of that specific department. Now copy this formula and go to data validation and paste it in place of 1, which is actually representing the height. Click on OK, and that's it. Now you can see that if I choose the industrial department, the next my drop-down list show me all the subjects that are being studied in industrial department. And if I choose mechanical department, it will show me all the subjects that are being studied in mechanical department. Now if you want to apply this data validation to multiple rows, then you just have to copy and select the cells from to where you want to paste. Go to home tab, click on paste special, and here you will find the option validation. Click on OK. Now you can see that the validation is pasted successfully. If you find this video helpful, then please subscribe my channel and like this video.